There are 4 database collection types. There's a set, where there's no duplicates values allowed, and the set is also not ordered. Multiset, which can be repeated and not ordered. Lists, which can be repeated and ordered. And an array, which is an indexed list. You should make sure that whatever database that you're using has support for these collection types before you try to use them. For example, MySQL only supports sets, whereas Oracle and PostgreSQL supports arrays also. The set type for MySQL is similar to the ENUM type because they both have a base type consisting of character strings, and each set may contain 0, 1, or many elements, while each enum value must contain exactly one element. And to create a set type, you use the keyword set followed by the base type strings. For example, set, parentheses, green, yellow, red, separated by commas, and that's the type for the values of traffic lights. And you can have a set with no elements, which is not the same as null, it's just an empty set. On the bottom left in the table, you'll see an example of how to create a set. So in this person table, you can see that we created a set called sport, where the sport that a person can have can only either be basketball, hockey, or soccer. In the right column of this table shows an example of an array. So you can specify an array type by adding a pair of brackets with the array size to any base type. For example, integers with brackets 3 like we have in this example, and the data is entered in curly braces and each element is separated by a comma. You can access any element in the array by using the index in square brackets. So in this person table example, favorite numbers is an array that can hold up to 3 favorite numbers, and then as we're inserting data into the person table, we could see that Bob's 3 favorite numbers that are going into his array are 69, 8, and 72, and Mary's numbers are 69, 143, and 21.